The purpose of this lab is to see if there is red 40 in Skittles. The independent variable is the color of the Skittle, and the dependent variable is the RF value of the red, if there was any red, in the red, orange, yellow, green, or purple Skittle. Our hypothesis was, if you used chromatography to test the RF values of the red in each color of Skittle, then you would find that the RF values matched up with the RF values of red 40. We thought that because Skittles are highly processed and most likely would use artificial dyes, we thought that the red, orange, and purple Skittles would contain red 40 because they all have shades of red in them. Red 40, or Allura red, is an artificial dye used to color food. It contains an azo bond, which makes it a part of the azo family as well. There is some controversy surrounding red 40. According to some studies involving rats, it causes cancer. In other studies, it is believed to cause ADHD in children.
The materials needed for this lab are as follows: 5 250 milliliter beakers, 4 1000 milliliter beakers, Skittles, rubber bands, aluminum foil, rulers, chromatography paper, chromatography water, and red 40. The procedure is as follows. First, you dissolve each color of the Skittle in water. Second, you prepare the chromatography paper and the beakers. You cut the paper in half, draw a line across the paper 9 centimeters from the top, add 6 dots on each line 2 centimeters apart, put aluminum foil over the beakers, rubber band the foil onto the beakers, then remove the paper and use a ruler to see how far up they go and calculate their RF values.
We painted 3 coats of each polish on each egg. The synthetic polish looks like this, and the natural polish looks like this.
In the lab, we found that all the colors had some red in them, and when we compared the average RF values to the average RF values of red 40, they were similar, if not identical. Thus, we decided that they all contained trace amounts of red 40.
The results of our lab differ from our hypothesis slightly because we thought that 3 of the Skittles would have red 40 in it and not all 5. One main random error was the uncertainty of our measurements, for example, the ruler. One main systematic error was we let the chromatography water go up too high on the paper. This may have caused us to miss some of the colors. Next time we will just have to pull the paper out of the water sooner. And what we learned was important because red 40 is thought to be harmful, and this gives us a way to check for products that have red 40 in them.